Alright, so this one's a piece of work. This ad panel is obviously gone. It's spray painted with some graph. I'm going to hold the earpiece up to the speaker to see if I can catch this strange sound. I don't know if that counts as dial tone, and I don't know if you could hear it. I guess I'll find out later. It's like a screeching sound. And here again, all the innards of the wireless router and the power supply are mostly gone. I looked this stuff up. It's not worth much if somebody thinks they can resell it. But people are going to steal anything. And the other ad, I don't know who that is. And here again, ad panel gone. Oh, but this exposes the, yeah, that's it, ADC. I was trying to remember what the name of that company. They make a lot of the enclosures that you find out here. Well, somebody really had a vengeance for these ad panels.